I'd like to order a vegan Thai meal.
Vegan Thai meal?
Do you actually have curries here?
Yes, we do.
Do they have any fish sauce or shrimp paste?
They shouldn't have, no.
Can you double check? Yeah, you can. Yeah, that's great. Yeah. So it doesn't have any shrimp paste or fish sauce or no.
So we can avoid that.
Yeah, that's great.
All of it.
Yeah, all of them? That's great.
Yeah, except for the cashew nut one.
The ginger sauce, but can you do it without oil? And instead you could just put like coconut milk, you know, to make the grease, to make the like stir fry. Because oil I have a little bit of an issue with. But coconut milk, you could just use a tablespoon, you know, instead. Thanks.
Anything else, ma'am?
And low salt for each of them, so less salt.
Less salt.
Yeah.
All right.
If you could add that. 2 large jasmine rice and 1 large coconut rice. And she got the low salt and oil and all that stuff. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you very much. Okay, so this looks good. This is the stir fry without oil. And this is the curry, yellow curry and some rice. And we use these containers to freeze bananas in, plastic containers, so they don't go to waste. Also got some potatoes and from last night and salad. So we did well.